Hey, good morning, good morning. Oh, man. Sorry, I just had to run upstairs and get my glasses. Good morning, everybody. I'm a little frazzled. I am a little frazzled this morning. Ah. All right. Oh, my goodness. Now my camera's not on. Kidding me? Ah. Hang on. Oh, this is a disaster of a morning already. Jeez. Oh, and my light. Jeez, I'm an idiot. I don't even have my lights turned on. Hang on, let me turn on the lights. Oh, there we go. Okay. So the problem is this morning. This is not a problem. This is good. I have a new PC. Wah wah. And I made the genius decision late last night at about 10 o'clock. I decided, you know what? I'm going to set up my new PC right now. I was going to wait until after stream today, but nope, I couldn't wait. So here we are. We set up all night long. I was up until 3:30 this morning getting this PC set up for streaming this morning. So I wouldn't do it for just anyone. Good morning, everybody. Krister, Lawrence Harris, Black Coffee Trader, Nathan Ramirez, Vincent and Ella, Jim O, Dean Bishop, John, good morning, John, Jack Wiley, RX, Tanush, good morning, Mr. Wall Street, Jake Dell, Niles, Sean O, Bob Baker, Max 90, TV, Dean Bishop, Rosie Rose, good morning. What happened to Tradeify Live? I don't want to talk about it. Niles, Aluwatosin, Best Guess Trading. We have a new contender. For the most cursed account. Tradeify Live account is currently in very strong contention for the most cursed account. It's coming for Take Profit Trader. Take Profit Trader has some serious competition right now, so I don't know. That's all I can say. I have no words. All I will tell you, this is what I'll show you where it happened. You want to see where it happened? Right here. We had this big dip lower, right? So I waited, came back up to here. I short on this little wick lower like an idiot. I shorted here, took my loss here. And then finally I'm like, okay, you want to go higher? Okay. So then I go long on this pullback here. Comes down. It stops me out right here. Stops me out again right there. And then I go short again right here. And it just, I don't know, whatever. It just did. Every single trade I took on that live account was wrong. Every single one was wrong. And it wasn't just wrong by a little bit. It was wrong a lot. Anyway, but we're here. It's a good day. We have a decent day on our Apex accounts. In our mad state of fury yesterday afternoon. Yes, that was Tradeify. I don't know what to do about Tradeify right now. I'm so sad. I'm very disappointed and sad. But you know what? We got plenty of room to work with yet. We've got plenty. We can, I know we can recover. It's just going to take a little bit of hard work. A little bit of hard work. Never hurt anybody. But man, this PC, man, she's a beast. She's a beast. All right, I still need to update a couple things I just realized this morning. Now, let's look at the current price action here. Lock screen. Man, I'm realizing my text is very small. I think I need to change my text style. What in the tarnation did I just do? Oh yeah, black coffee. Ugh. Yeah, I don't know. I need to size down. I need I need to do a lot of things with this live account. You know, I basically just need to do exactly opposite of what I am doing. Da, 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 da. Okay. Now I fixed that, I think. What is going on? Oh, there we go. Sorry, I'm working on, I'm trying to get some of this stuff to look right. Some of this stuff still doesn't quite look right. Trying to get it fixed. All right, kind of a choppy open this morning, which is just fine by me. Okay, now I need to my power settings. When plugged in, never turn off my screen. Are you kidding me? Power mode. Best performance. That's right. I don't care about using too much power. Also, I think I accidentally went live on Twitch this morning. I think I went live on Twitch. I think right when I hit my go live, it looked, I was like, wait, did I just go live on Twitch? Let's see. Did I just go live on Twitch? But for some reason it signed me in. I was kind of confused. If you have a Twitch channel, go to Twitch and search Nutty Bar Trading. See if you find me. Can you find me? I'm trying to sign in and see if I can find myself. Dude, I think I am live. Ha ha. Let's go. I'm live on Twitch, baby. I'm live on Twitch to one viewer. Let's go. You can't find me. Should I just do that? Like, should I just... Here, I'll post a link in the chat. That should take you, that should show it. Haha, Golf Guy Mike, let's go. Oh, maybe I should do multi-streaming. That would be, maybe that's a thing. Oh, it's John? Let's go, John. Let's go. Oh, by the way, John, I've been meaning to ask you this. Hang on. Actually, I need to send a link here so you... Hang on. John, I need you to stay with me. Stay with me, John. I'm going to share something. I'm going to share something in the chat. John, I'm wondering if you can click on that link. I'm wondering if you already watched this. Did you already watch this? YouTube is lagging a little bit. Let's go, John. John, listen. Listen, John. Listen. Don't lose me. Don't leave me. Watch what it says. And we're going lower. Sorry. Right now, I'm not mentally ready yet to trade. So this is a good time to do this. John, I thought about you. Hang on. I need to... What is going on here? Okay. John, look at this. I wanted to ask, I was looking for your comment, but I saw a lot of comments similar to this one. Chiefs fan for 45 years, and now I'm a 64-year-old Swiftie. Oh, that's too funny. But for those of you that didn't know, this is the podcast where Travis Kelce and Taylor Swift, they were on the podcast. And I'll be honest, it was a pretty decent. I thought the vibes were pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. I thought the vibes were pretty good. Go Chiefs. Go Chiefs. Okay. Okay, I need to figure out. My sound is still not quite right. Hmm. All right. Now I'm curious. So do you guys do you probably get do you get ads on Twitch? Because that's annoying. All right. Time to focus up. Let's talk. All right. I need to cleanse my mind right now. Hey, good morning, Design Knob, Dean Bishop. How are we feeling about Joe Flacco being the starter? Honestly, we need to talk about the Browns. We have not talked about the Browns enough, but I like where they're going. Now that they have Deshaun Watson, that idiot, that guy made me not want to be a Browns fan for the last 3 years. Yeah, I mean, Taylor Swift on that podcast, John, I feel like if you give her a chance, if you just sit there and watch her on that podcast, John, I actually think you're going to like her. She was actually pretty likable in that podcast. That's all I'm saying, John. Just maybe give it a fair chance. Well, Jay trades. I mean, I like the fact that they're going with Joe Flacco. Shador will get his chance. Don't worry, Shador will get his chance to be the QB at some point this year. It'll be very interesting to see how he plays, but I mean, so far in the preseason, it's looked pretty nice. It's looked pretty nice. All right. We are a very choppy daily chart. Oh man, I had to set up it. You know how long it takes to set up a fresh Ninja Trader session? Oh, it took so long. Took so long. Had to set up all my indicators, my affordable indicators dashboard. Oh man, it was work, real work. I'd rather eat broken glass. So I guess Rhythmic Buellnox wasn't a good idea to buy since I have Rhythmic Apex. Oh no, John. Yeah, that's a bad choice right there. I hate when that happens. Something that's so annoying. I wish there was a platform where you could have multiple Rhythmic connections and multiple Tradeify connections. Flacco's too old, Sanders not accurate enough, and Dylan G is too small. Yeah, don't even get me started on Dylan Gabriel. I have no idea why we drafted Dylan Gabriel. All right, I might take along here. Trade copier is working. Yay. Oh no, I'm on the wrong accounts. Okay, I did not mean to trade on those accounts, but I'll take it. I meant to trade on these accounts. I should have. Did I? Oh my word. I have them labeled wrong? What an idiot. Hang on. I'm still in the trade, huh? got to be a ghost order. All right, everybody. Oh, you know what I forgot to set up? Oh, that's going to annoy me so much. Oh, that's going to annoy me. Oh, I didn't set up my commissions. I didn't set up my commissions yet. Oh, no. You know what? I'm going to do that later. I'm not in the mood to do that right now. Okay. Let's make sure we're on the right accounts. Make sure we're on the right everything. All right. We are good to go. Wow, look at that. Just straight back down. I still haven't even had my Nutty Bar this morning. This is... Man, we're trying to hold this 230 level. This has definitely been holding up better than the last couple days. I might take another stab at this. Man, that's crazy how big of moves these are. No. How is it? Are we moving that much? Jeez. Oh man, I feel like I need to be below this, but wow, I did not think we were that volatile this morning. Oh, snappy. Oh, come on, really? Here we go again. Always got to start out with a red trade. Always got to start with a red trade, you know? Unbelievable. We just can't start off on the right foot. All those profits in the overnight just gone. Gone, gone, gone. Man, I'm like, do I want to give this a chance? Come on, rip it. Rip it back up. We're getting stopped here. I can feel it. Man, oh man, oh man, oh man. I might need to go back to my rule of not trading the open. It's just too volatile. Ah, this is maddening. Come on. Just give me a double bottom here. Whoa. What was that? Why am I not out of this trade? What is going? What? Okay, okay, don't get triggered. Don't get triggered. Starting to hate this. I'm starting not like this right now. That was super annoying. Super, super annoying. Man, did we just literally got stop run like crazy. I don't even know what happened. I added 2, but my stop loss was only for 3. That's what happened. Ah. What a joke. What a joke. Yeah, you're welcome, Niles. You're welcome. I see more delay than usual, Sean. I was actually wondering about that, if the delay is worse. I wasn't sure which settings I was using in Streamlabs. John, is that what they said? That's kind of funny. Man, if I just hold that for just hold through that drawdown just a little bit more, that is maddening. Oh, literally got stop run. Unbelievable. I was so close to moving that stop loss, but I didn't. I was a good boy. All right, now we have had a big struggle getting through the VWAP. Can we get through the 270s here? Nice, Mr. Wall Street. Yeah, Twitch is faster. Oh, yes, I can add the clock. Well, okay, let me try. Let me try to add the clock. Hey, it worked. Let's go. Got to resize it just a tad. All right, there we go. Yeah, I did, TK. I know. I was moving my stop. I thought I would need more room. I felt I mean, I was worried. I was worried we're going to get a wick down through. I was so close to closing that, like canceling the stop altogether. But then I had flashbacks to the last couple days where we would just sell off 200 points lower, and I just decided it's not worth the risk. But man, it would have worked great. Niles. Very funny, Niles. Hey, Diego, good morning. How we doing? Yeah, Rob Judd, I did. I moved that stop multiple times. I guess the other argument would be take my loss initially and then re-enter. I could have done that too. That would have probably been the smartest. Probably would have been the way I should have done it, but if you trade the open, if you trade the first 15 minutes, half hour of the open, I feel like you just have to be willing. You have to have pretty big stop losses or you're going to get chopped to pieces. All right, up through the VWAP now. I might take a small stab at this. What is going on with my camera? Hello? All right, we're back. Why is my background color pink? You guys didn't even tell me that it's pink? No wonder we've been having a bad day yesterday. I forgot. Cody was playing with the color. Okay, hang on. This has got to be fixed immediately. What color do we want to make it? Green or blue? Oh, I like blue. Oh, I like that color blue. All right. I don't like green, that's for sure. I am apparently if you build big buffer, they might not pay it. Oh, on Buell Knox? Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I don't know. I think they're okay. There've been a couple little issues, but this actually would be very tempting to go short up here. This is a tempting short. Carolina blue. I like that blue color. I love it. All right, come on down. Let me get in here. Man, we're just Hey, Leith Hill, nicely done. I just signed up for some TPT accounts. Thank you, Niles. I appreciate it. Oh, it definitely does, Niles. More than I'm very, very, very blessed and very thankful. Thank you for using the code. I appreciate it. Also, today, guys, today we are going to do a special giveaway. Tradeify was nice enough to give me a 50K straight to funded account to do a giveaway today. Straight to funded account, 50K straight to funded account giveaway sometime today. If I have an MFF code, I do, Christar. It's NBT. Thank you. But we are going to be doing a giveaway. Straight to funded account of 50K. So man, that'd be awesome giving that count away and then someone actually getting to a payout with it. That'd be awesome. Type Joom. So make sure you stay tuned. We'll probably do the giveaway towards noon. All right, we are trying to break up through the 300s. I don't know what. Take Profit Trader did affiliates dirty. What was that about, TK? It's a long story. Most people don't really care. I mean, it is what it is. But they did. They definitely did us dirty. So basically, I mean, I've been affiliated with Take Profit Trader for over probably a year and a half. So basically, what they did, anybody that clicked on my link, they cut that, like, so the last year and a half of users that you basically accumulate when people click on your link and they sign up, then if they use the house code, if they click on the link and sign up using your link, even if they use the house code, you would still get the commission for it because you brought them the customer. That's how it used to be. And they just removed all of those links without telling the affiliates. They just basically cut the cord. All affiliates got the cord cut on any links that were active were cut off. So basically now, even if someone clicks on my link and signs up, if you get a new user to sign up to Take Profit Trader, then it really doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. So customer acquisition is really not, it doesn't matter if you do. And what I didn't like about it is they didn't notify us. They didn't tell the affiliates. But just for reference, my affiliates with Take Profit Trader, they dropped over 70% in affiliates in 1 month. So trust me, they knew what they were doing. And I talked with a lot of other affiliates as well. And they saw a similar decrease. Like there was anywhere from 60 to 80% drop from that most affiliates were experiencing. And the longer that you were promoting Take Profit Trader, the more it affected you. So the long time affiliates for Take Profit Trader got hurt the most. If you were just new, then it wasn't that big of a difference because you're just new. But the ones that have been promoting and promoting them for over a year, 2 years, all those links, everything just cut off with no warning and no communication. And once enough people called them out on it, they admitted to what they did. And they basically said, oh, we didn't think it was that big of a deal. I'm like, yeah, right. But it is what it is. It is what it is. All right, market. Are we going to rip it back up or not? And I was hoping for a pullback here. I have PTSD from yesterday. Yes, CD. Yeah, most prop firms, that's the way it is. Like most prop firms like Tradeify, if you get a user to sign up using your link, like unless that person uses someone else's code, that commission will go to you, even if they use the house code. But that's no longer the case with Take Profit Trader. But I don't know, that might be the new normal. Who knows? Either way, you know what? I'm like, it is what it is. Not much you can do about it. Yeah, they kind of rug pulled us. Why would they tell us, Sorrel? Because I don't know. Because there were terms and conditions that we signed when we were affiliates originally. They went and changed the wording and everything on it without us even knowing it or approving it or agreeing to it. And I mean, they got called out. That's why it was pretty easy to see what they did. And enough people called them out on it that they kind of did an apology tour. Come on. They took profit. That's right, JY. If they violate a rule on day 1 but don't ask for a payout until day 9, will they consider day 1? Yes, they will, Dove Gordon. Yeah, they will. You have to just submit and then get denied to get a fresh clean slate. Yeah, exactly, Terry. Yeah, it is what it is. I don't know. Most people don't really care about, or I mean, I don't blame people for, or let me put it this way. I would rather affiliates get rug pulled than traders get rug pulled, if that makes sense. But it just really it really disappointed me just that they thought that was okay. All right, market, what are we doing? Also, in that whole thing that really just irritates me, I am now about 99% sure. I'm almost 100% sure. Take Profit Trader, they themselves have the code NBT. That's why they won't give it to me. They have the NBT code as another house of code, and they have it. They do that with a lot of other streamers as well, like Trades by Matt, different streamers where they know they have a standard code. And yeah, that's, let's just say they don't really care that much about their affiliates, that's for sure. But they're still a very good, I mean, they're still a good prop firm, and I'm not going to, I don't know, but I got some insider information that kind of confirmed that NBT code. The reason they don't want to give it to me, because they have it as a house code, which means every time someone uses NBT code on Take Profit Trader, that's just the house code. But JY, I know, right? I know, right? We should be shocked. Well, today might be that slow grinding higher day, huh? We have resistance up here at the 360s, 350 area, so I'm not buying up here. I still have, yeah, Carmine coding. Don't use code NBT. You got to use code Nutty Bar, all caps. It's the only way. That's only on Take Profit Trader. Yeah, Niles. I've asked the actual owner, and he's declined. By the way, these funding ticks accounts, these are the 50K. I did opt with I paid a little bit more for them. I did the $81 version, which has a 5K per week payout cap per account versus the $50 one. But I don't know. Hopefully we can get these. We need one more day on these funding ticks accounts. But man, I gotta say, right now seems like, I don't want to say it out loud, but right now I feel like I'm starting to enter another rut, another bad trading rut. I don't know. Yesterday was ugly. By the way, I apologize yesterday for how I ended stream. I was mad. I was seriously mad. I mean, it was such a stupid trade. Like, it was almost like a meme trade. Like, I took the trade kind of like for a meme, like as a meme trade. And I was down so quickly, so fast, that it turned into, from a meme into just me. Like, I was just so mad. I was mad at myself. I was just mad at myself that I would do something stupid like that. And paid the price, man. But I also couldn't believe that we just ripped lower, what, 100? Where was it? Right here. Look at this. From here, from the 40s all the way back to the, and then we just dump. I don't know. Can't make that up. It's just, that was just so, it was just stupidity. Absolute stupidity. And I deserved it. I really did. That's what made me so mad. What made me so mad is I just did not, it really upset me that I was that stupid. We weren't mad. We were just disappointed. You sound like my dad. Yeah. And then like as soon as I get stopped, whatever, and then it rips right back up like it's nothing. It just, dude, we're just lucky. We are lucky. I am lucky that I locked myself out of my Apex accounts, because those Apex accounts were on death notice. When I ended stream, those Apex accounts were, they were on a firing squad, but I couldn't trade them. It was a good thing I couldn't. It's just crazy. What's even crazier, what really upset me even more, I don't know if you guys remember this. Look back. Let me look back here just to rub it in. Okay, right here. So we had this big dip lower. I added one, like, and then we made this move higher. And we actually were green again. And right when we were green, I got interrupted. I mean, I'm not blaming my kids for this, but Kevin came to the door and Kevin needed my help with something. So I went to the door to help him. I had full intention of just taking my profit if we come back up and double top it. I had full intention to just take my profit there. And yeah, just by the time I came back to my desk, we were all the way back down again. Just so frustrated. There was so many levels of how frustrated I was on that, but
I did not realize that
happened. Yeah, John, I have no idea. He won't ever share his expenses, trust me. But I'm sure he's profitable. I mean, I would sure hope he is. I would sure hope, but not as much as he wants you to believe. All right, market. I guess we just got to buy the dips. This is starting to look, see if we get back up. We do need to get back above the 360s, I feel like. He does, JY? What is his yearly expenses? I have 4 funding takes accounts and went on vacation for 7 days. Oh no, Niles. JY. Oh, you thought you were talking about me. No, John was talking about someone else. I had reset my pro account this morning. That is never fun. Oh, man, I haven't reset a pro account in a long time. That's tempting, though. Rob Judd. You guys are savages. You guys are savage. $340s. My kid is gonna have PTSD now. He actually just came in and was like, "Dad, I didn't know that happened." I felt bad. I told him. I told him it's definitely not his fault. Definitely not his fault. Wow! 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 Man, today feels like, to think, guys, do you guys know where I got stopped out? This is why I don't want to show my, I don't even want to see where I got stopped out here. I don't even want to see it. Actually, I do. I'm just going to look at it a little bit, and then I'm not going to look at it anymore. Oh, my word. Oh, my stars. You can't make this up. This is where I get stopped out. 165s. Why did I look at that? That's why I just, no. All right. It's fine. No, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I'm not mad. Oh, man. How long is my opening range? So I have 15 minutes set. 15 minutes. Scalpel layer. Do I ever use the 2 indicators? I probably use this one. This is just a volume. This is just volume here. I don't use it for entries. I just like seeing it. But I do look at this, but I don't know. I don't always use it, but actually, you know what I need to do? On each tick. I know. Open the door, actually, please. There you go. Just open it all the way. It's really warm in here. What's up, bud?
Be your guest. I finished school.
You're done with... Ah. Okay, you're going to be our guest?
Good luck, charm.
Good luck, charm. Let's go.
Go, chat.
Let's go, chat. Kevin is here. He's going to be our good luck charm. Remember, a couple weeks ago we had a little training session on trading?
Yes.
You want to tell me what you see? What do you see on the charts?
Well, I think you should, you know. It's going down.
It's going down right now, but it did go a lot higher. So do you think it's going to keep going down?
Yeah.
Oh, dear. Okay. I mean, it could. Not a bad idea, but that makes me nervous.
I feel like people wouldn't buy random tech at 10:30 on a random Thursday.
So I was trying to explain to him how, like, what I trade, what it is, that it's a lot of technology stocks all in one. But it's also more about, like, just, you know, are people going to look at, like, this is the daily chart. Like, this is so look at the daily chart, and then this is a 4-hour chart.
Okay.
So it shows, like, the longer trend. And then this is the 1-hour chart. So see how in the 1 hour we are kind of heading lower? And then this
honestly, it might actually go back up.
You think it might go back up? I think we're kind of at an interesting place. This could roll over. I don't know. Right now you would be right, Kevin. I should have taken the short, man.
All of your panels are falling off back there.
I know. Don't talk about it. We need to. I know. So annoying. And that fell off. Like those wooden sticks fell off.
Yeah, there was only like one. Were you streaming when it happened? Were you streaming when it fell?
No. Fell during the night.
Guess what I got in math today?
What? How were your scores?
Guess what I got in math today?
I don't know.
Guess.
90.
I got 100. Nice.
Good job. So what up?
W's in the chat for 100 in math.
W's in the chat. Kevin got 100 in math.
W's in the chat. I'm not seeing any W's. That's sad.
No W's in the chat. It's delayed. It takes a little bit for it to happen. My chat doesn't always listen to me. Sometimes they have a mind of their own.
Alright, that's our other humans, but...
Oh, there's the first W. See?
Hey,
there's the W's. There they are.
There we go.
Do you know what platform PW trades on? I think just Tradeify. Look at all those W's. Let's go.
Let's go, dude.
Let's go. Okay, now I feel like if we make a move back above this to take that long, if we can get a move. We tested the opening range high, tested the EMA. We should get some support here.
W's with the fire.
Oh, nice. I had no faith in you guys. I did. I knew you guys would come through. W for Kevin. That's right. Let's go.
I'm talking about.
Well,
just wait until I don't know how long, but then I'll start streaming.
That's right, man. We can barely see you because you're blurry.
Oh no.
Here, wait. Sit there and I'll move away. Now you can. See, you turn blurry when I'm in the picture.
It doesn't matter.
I knew Kevin was smarter than Nutty. It's probably true. Eventually, he's doing some math that makes my mind spin. Makes my head spin. All right. I don't know. This is starting to look like we might.
Dad, can you please tell me why you have your main thing at the top and not in the middle of your screen?
Why it isn't here and it's always up there?
Yes.
I don't know. I don't know.
You just don't know.
I don't know. That's always how it's been.
Sure.
All right. I'm going to cancel that order. This is Kevin. We should have taken the short. We'd be up 20 points.
You were the one who convinced me. Dude. It's not my fault.
Not bad. Not bad. How do you feel about your dad's trading addiction?
Well, I mean...
Gotta put food on the table, man. Gotta put food on the table.
And V-Bucks on my account.
And V-Bucks on his Fortnite account. Truer words have never been spoken. I hope I never know how much money I've spent on V-Bucks. That is one thing I never want to know.
It will benefit you, though. It will benefit you. I could sell that account and get so much.
You could sell that, yeah, okay.
I would give you like half.
Kids nowadays, they buy pixels. They buy pixels on a screen, and they think it's valuable or something. I don't know.
Just talking about how you bought your new PC, dude.
Yeah, I know. That's good.
And your monitors you bought too. That's also pixels, by the way.
Yeah, but it's different.
Different how?
That's what your wife said. Would you be mad if we go to Kevin's live instead of your mockery? Well, he doesn't have a live, so no. Look at this dump.
I will soon. And well,
Kevin, we should have gone short, man. Should have done it.
Stop talking to me about your failures, okay? Is there still W's? Holy cow. I said I got 100 and there's still W's going on.
Those are just the same W's that they're just sliding down.
Ow.
Yeah, NFTs, Abraham. I never understood NFTs. NFTs has got to be one of the dumbest things I've ever heard.
It's your oil, I guess.
Yeah, it's for my poison ivy. Man, we are all the way back down to the open. Man, I don't know now. We might just... I mean, right now, the last couple days, we've had these kind of extended pullbacks, so I might take a stab long here now off this opening price. Trying to buy the dips.
I need binoculars to read the chat.
Yeah, it's kind of small. Beanie Baby on, yeah. Do you guys remember the Beanie Baby phase? The Beanie Baby phase. All right, I gotta get.
You were trading on Beanie Babies? What? What?
No, no, Kevin. No.
Then what?
That's something different.
Were you collecting Beanie Babies for like 10 years?
That was like 30, 40 years ago. That was a big thing. People would collect Beanie Babies.
So you collected Beanie Babies?
I didn't, but other people did. Like, and they thought they were gonna get really rich collecting Beanie Babies.
Blind boxes. I can't wait till I can go live.
Are you familiar with the funding takes account? It looks on the 1K 5 reward option that you can only take 60%. It seems to show in the fine print rules. Yeah. Uh-oh. Hang on. We got to pay attention to this trade.
It's not going to be any different
if I don't watch it.
Yeah.
Well, sometimes I can get out or, you know.
Well, yeah.
If I'm watching.
I'm just saying, hey, if you get a bad trade, blame it on your mouse.
On my mouse?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're clicking with it.
I like that. We're just going to blame the mouse for our problems.
And then blame yourself.
We're still working on the accountability. Come on, market. Rip it! Rip it!
You're not a frog.
Rip it!
You're not a frog.
Rip it!
You're not a frog.
Rip it!
Ribbit!
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 Come on, say it. Say it louder.
Ribbit!
That's it. That's it. Gotta train him young. Ribbit!
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 Ah, let's go. Ribbit!
Ribbit! When is mom coming home again?
Probably around lunchtime. Come on, market. Don't be like that.
We got the boys morning.
Oh, it's doing the hope and nope strategy. I'm afraid. I'm afraid.
Ribbit!
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 Ribbit.
Are we going it for ripping down or up?
Up! We want to go up.
Go up.
Ribbit! It's not working. It's not listening.
Oh, you changed your thing to blue.
Yeah, I did.
That one's green. But, well, bluish green, if you will. It's very green blue. Very green blue.
NBT turned into a frog. Oh, man. Come on, market. Give me that move. I need to move back above that 270. Ribbit.
Ribbit.
Starting to get worried that this doesn't pop. Rip. Ribbit. 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 Go, baby.
Honestly, I'm not going to help you here.
You're not going to help me. No Fortnite V-Bucks for you.
I just said I don't play Fortnite.
You don't play Fortnite? What do you play nowadays?
Rocket League.
Rocket League. He plays Rocket League now.
Dude, I do max training. It means I'm good. I'm going pro.
He's going pro in Rocket League. There you go.
I'm locking in on Rocket League so that I can start my new YouTube channel in like a year, and then we can just be goated. We can be goated, chat.
You can do it.
You talking to me or the?
Come on, market. This thing, I don't know. I'm not too sure I like this thing. I'm not sure I like this. I might kill this.
I'm just trying to reach.
Come on. Maddening. Might have to kill it.
Maybe I'll stand further up. I don't think I sit.
You should go get a chair if you want to sit here.
I said maybe I don't.
He's waiting. I'm going to set up his PC.
Yeah.
As soon as I'm done streaming.
That's why I have not been up.
He gets the hand-me-down version, which is still a good PC. All right, I might need to kill this. I don't like this. Rip it. There we go. Come on. Go.
I can play golf.
Yes, he does.
Try.
He does play golf.
I try.
You haven't played in a while, though.
Oh.
I gotta take you again.
It's just some grinding Rocket
Hey,
League.
B33 says he used to play Rocket League years ago.
I saw that.
They had a crazy in-game trading economy with fluctuating prices. It was fun while it lasted. Let's go, baby. Rip it.
Why are there tools at the top? This is in...
Where do you see that?
No,
what?
Up there at the top of your trade thing.
Oh, so see here, I can draw.
You can draw.
Look, you can make like these are called Fibonacci retracements. You draw it from this point, and then you draw it up to the high, and then it gives you different levels where it's supposed to bounce.
True.
And see, it actually worked. 50% retracement, it bounced perfectly.
Sure.
So it's kind of a cheat code. All right.
Reach out.
What's happening? What a good dad you have, Kevin. Do not ever forget that. There we go. Thank you, Mr. Wall Street. I'll send you your $10 after stream.
What?
I paid him to say that.
I guess I'll just leave then.
I'm just kidding.
Rocket League was fun. Is fun.
Okay, I'm going to take I don't know. I'm going to get out of that trade. Hey, we're green. Barely green. Feel like this could reverse. Oh, you know what? You need to go read your book.
I don't need to.
Yes, you do. Go get a good book.
Fine.
And read it. Actually, get
I already have my SRI books, bro.
Well, go. You're supposed to read one book. You can do it. Jack, tell Kevin to go read a book.
What do I say? Subscribe, I guess.
Yes, subscribe. That's what he said. A lot of you guys are watching and are not subscribed. It's very disrespectful. Very disrespectful to keep watching and not be subscribed. But I'll let it slide this time. I'll let it slide. Actually, you do want to subscribe because we are going to do a giveaway We are going to do a duck race, and there is going to be a subscription required to enter. I'm not going to just let everybody off the street come in here. Anybody off the street can come in here and snatch away that 50K Tradeify straight to funded account. You're going to have to be a sub. I hate to do it, but we got to have our standards here. We can't just be letting homeless people off the street come in here and take that account from our long, faithful subscribers. I wonder how much the delay is, guys. Guys, how big is the delay right now? I'm kind of curious. It's rigged anyway. I'm a permanent subscriber. Love it. Love it. That's what I'm talking about. If you subscribe, you have a 69% chance of being profitable. What's wrong with homeless people? There's nothing wrong with homeless people other than the fact that they don't have a home. I think that's the only thing that's wrong. Wait, 16 seconds, 3 or 4 seconds? Okay. 38 seconds? Man, refresh your stream. Say your time with seconds. No, look at the time right here. My time is showing here Eastern Standard Time. 10 minutes, 51 minutes. 10:51 right now. I'm not hating on homeless. I'm just stating facts. Man, we're just chopping right now. Going back and forth. This opening range, we opened right here the 23,260s. It does seem to be putting in a little bit of support here. 18 seconds, 22 seconds. Okay. Yeah, that's way too much. It's a 7 month. It's a 7 month delay. That's unfortunate. Man, I am tempted here to short this. We have been struggling. We can't seem to get above the VWAP. Well, never mind. There it goes. Never mind. Now she's ripping. 20 seconds. My overpriced computer is slower. Actually, I have my settings. I think I got my settings turned incorrect. Like I can change it so it's not as much of a delay. I wasn't sure what my settings were. That was kind of the problem. All right, let's see if we can get up through that 290s. Keep talking about shorting your long. It does seem to work pretty well. There it goes. There she goes. Man, nice. Getting a nice rip. Getting a nice rip here. Okay, now it's about 7 seconds. Okay. Do I ever trade ES? I don't. I don't. Oh my goodness. You know what I forgot? All right. Let me hang on. I got to do something here. All right, we're right at that 300 level. Hmm. By the way, did you guys see my funded futures? My funded futures did a flash 20% sale yesterday between 2 and 4 p.m. That kind of got my attention. I was on my way to pick up my PC, and by the time I saw the notice, the sale was already over. I'm like, geez, come on, my fund of futures. You gotta give us a little more of a window than 2 hours. I'm not checking my Twitter every 20 minutes to see that. I was considering buying some my fund of future accounts, and then I didn't because I was like, you know what, I'm gonna wait till I get a good discount. And then they run a 20% promotion, and which would have been great, but then I didn't see it. Literally did not see it until it was too late. That's unfortunate. I wonder also, by the way, guys, just I don't know for you, for those of you that care, my fund of futures on Friday, which is tomorrow. Tomorrow is the last day that you can buy the starter plus expert or starter account. Last day is tomorrow to buy those accounts. They donated $100 to PW this morning that stated round 2 tonight. Oh, really? Oh, was it only for a couple accounts? What was the max accounts that you could buy with 20% off? But today is the tomorrow is the last day that you can buy the starter plus, expert, and starter accounts. I'm actually curious, what do you guys think? Oh man, there it goes. I wish I would have just held my trade there. It's always a sign when I'm not trading well, is when I'm taking my profits too early and taking too big of losses. Do you guys like the new core scale and pro accounts? Do you like that? Kind of curious what everybody's feedback is. Just feel like it's overpriced right now. Like the pro accounts, I really like the pro accounts, but not for that price. Like the price, $477 for 150K, 4.5K drawdown, end of day drawdown, and no daily loss limit, no activation fees, no consistency. You can trade 15 contracts, but like there's no scaling plan. But the problem is it's just overpriced. Like you can buy straight to funded accounts for that price. For almost a very, like, for example, I feel like my fund of futures sometimes is a little out of touch with, I don't know. Like if you go to Lucid Trading or Tradeify, you can literally get a straight to funded account for less money. Well, not less, but very, I mean, depends what sale it is. Feel like those pro accounts need to be repriced or just run more promotions. Run 40% promotions or something. Then maybe it would make sense, but oh wow, look at that dump. Okay, now I'm glad I didn't jump in. The core plan, $77 for a 50K. I don't know. There's the scale plan is probably the best. Yeah, I mean, I have no complaint. Like, if you get funded, once you start getting payouts, their payouts are really fast. But the thing is, I feel like okay, for example, here, let me show you. Look at this. This was yesterday. Lucid Trading. Right there. I requested my payout at 5:30 p.m. And then I got my payout approved at 5:31 p.m. 1 minute. And yeah, I mean, my fund the future can do it in about 5 seconds. Is that really going to matter? Like, even if it's a day or 2 days, like, at least for me, that isn't, it's not worth a premium price. To, like, same with Tradeify. Tradeify, you get approved within the hour, usually 15 minutes. And I just feel like that selling point is, I mean, it's cool. I like it. I don't hate it, but it doesn't warrant a upcharge and a premium price on the product just because you have fast payouts. I don't know. To me, that doesn't warrant a fast payout, or a fast payout doesn't warrant a higher price or premium when there's other prop firms that are doing it almost as fast, but their pricing is just way better. Hey, let's go, Mahendra. Good, nice short, nice short. Any advanced info on Labor Day sales? I don't have any information on that, but I'll be sure to share if I do. Man, what a rip back down. Also, just a reminder, August 27th, next Wednesday and Thursday, 24-hour stream is a full send. It is 11 o'clock. Man, I'm. By the way, I have a question, guys. I mean, I guess it doesn't matter really, but I'm curious what your guys' thoughts is, because I'm kind of on the fence on this. Like, I'm a little bit on the fence here. So I have a live account with Ninja Trader. I've had it for 2 months. I had it in the beginning of the year. I traded it. I think I made like $6,000 profit on it, and then I withdrew everything, closed it out for a couple months. I didn't have a live account for like 2-3 months just because I wasn't trading well. But then I funded it again, and now I'm actually submitting for a pretty nice payout on that live account. Do you think I should my question to you guys is, because I don't really share my journey, I guess, on the live account, I don't know why, I just don't want, part of me, I just want to I don't want to have that additional pressure. It sounds kind of crazy, but it does create a little additional pressure, and I just don't prefer not to have it. Because of that, and because I don't really share it every day, should I include that payout in my yearly payout that I share? Should I include it or should I not? That's kind of my question. No wrong answer either. I don't think it's any wrong answer. I'm genuinely not sure what I want to do. Yes, no, no. It's private. No, no, no. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I feel like because I don't share it, like I don't really share. I mean, I'll share it with you guys. Like I'll tell you, but I'm not going to like make it public. I know it's really like there's some people that really have a like I love doing a live account, but at the same time, if I start not trading well, I will shut it down. But if I'm trading well, I will go in pretty heavy. And wow, look at that dump. Cly, I shared, completely understand. You can include it within the brackets, but you have every right to keep what you want to yourself. Yeah, it's like I just don't want to. I just don't. I feel like part of it is a little bit. I don't know, because I don't share it. Here's what I don't like. I'll tell you what I don't like. I don't like when people only share their wins. And if I'm not sharing every day my losses and my wins and then sharing my payout, I just feel a little disingenuous or just doesn't like I'm not going to include it in my payouts even though I mean I'll share I'm kind of proud of it. I'm not going to lie. I am very proud of the last 2 months. I've done really well. And I'm going to take a $25,000 payout on my live account. Basically, I started with $20,000 in my live account 2 months ago. I'm withdrawing and I grew that account to 45,000. Now I'm taking out 25 and then we're going to keep going. Look at this dump. But you know what's crazy? You know how I do it? Like my risk parameters, it's kind of why I'll share again. Like I'll share, but my risk parameters on these accounts is actually I really like it. I have a $1,500 daily loss limit. So I have a pretty tight daily loss limit, 1,500. That's the most I can lose. And it's set in NinjaTrader and it locks me out and I can't change it. So it prevents me from going back in. I cannot go in. But I don't have a daily profit target. And there are some days where I can really just let a trade go. And it's actually really fun. It's kind of weird. Just no rules, just make money. But I mean, this shows like let me X this out. Like this shows everything. No, that's not right. Hang on. That showed my Apex accounts. This is only my live account. We started out, but yeah, August was a crazy good month. And we're going to pay ourselves, take the account back down to 20 and just see if we can do it again. Fun times. But you know what's wild? Most of those trades are in the overnight. I really need to switch to being an overnight trader. Does eBay send you an email if you blow the account? Yes, they do. They're very kind. You suck. No, I'm not kidding. I'm kidding. They don't do it like that. As a father of three, I'm fully aware of how this can consume you. No, honestly, with trading, um, thanks guys. I appreciate it. Yes, I do trade minis on the live account. I start out with one mini when I start the day. I trade one mini, and then if I get to $1,000 in profit, then I go to two minis to try to grow, and I try to run at some point I lock myself out and I just walk away for the day. But one thing with trading is, trading gives you the opportunity for freedom, but there's a caveat. Like, trading can also just completely consume your life. So there's a happy medium. There's a happy medium where, and I've definitely been there, where it just consumes me, but I feel pretty good about, like, I really I love trading. I absolutely love it. Do you save half for taxes the next year? I save a portion of it. A portion of all my payouts go for taxes, yeah. Hey, let's go, Tanush. Let's go. I don't know why. I don't always, but like sometimes I'll go in with one mini and I'll just hit my daily loss limit. I'll hit my daily loss limit at $1,500. And I think the most I've lost in a row, I hit my $1,500 daily loss limit 4 times. That's the most I've hit in a row, but so far my winning days are more than those $1,500 daily loss limits. But you know what's crazy? That's why it's so frustrating. This Tradeify live account, then I've actually considered just copy trading it. I've considered copy trading because I don't know why. I don't know. I think the problem is I usually don't I don't enter the same trade on the same account. Like, I will trade my live account until I get it to a nice profit amount that I like, and then I move to my Tradeify account. And it sounds weird, but it almost feels like I've traded all my good trades are gone by the time I get to the Tradeify live account. And then when I get there is when I start the odds are you're going to have some losses. And I feel like I get my wins early. As soon as the market opens from 7 o'clock to 9 o'clock, I get my wins. And then it's like I move on to the next account, and then it's just nothing but losses. I don't know why. It's also a consistency issue and a sizing issue. But I've been treating this live account very similar to my own personal live account, where I start with one mini, try to grow the account, and then get to two minis. But I've just not been able to get any traction going at all. Yeah, camera trade. I might actually just do it. I might just copy trade my live account with my Tradeify account, copy trade them, and leave it at that, and whatever happens, happens. So trader sins. Don't. Trader sins. You have no idea. You have no idea how much I've thought about that the last while. I have honestly thought about that a lot. A lot. And I've looked at my data, and I've looked at how I'm trading. And I'm dead serious. I feel like I would be better off if I would just copy trade. This sounds crazy. It sounds crazy, I know, but it feels like I would be better off trading and copy trading all my accounts, and that's it. I really do. I mean this wholeheartedly. The more accounts I have, the worse I trade. I really do. There is a serious track record of me. The more accounts I have and the more groups that I break them up in, the worse that I trade. And I think there's some validity to it because like I take some good setups and then I get some good trades in, but then I have to switch to my next set of accounts. And as I switch from account group to account group, I find myself kind of fabricating some setups where it almost feels like I have to get some trades in, and then it just ends up being bad trades. And then that's how I lose most of my accounts is that second, third group of trading that I go to. Now, the other thing I've thought about is maybe I just need to copy trade each group for each separate day. So one day, maybe on Monday, I only trade funding ticks accounts. Maybe on Tuesday I only do Apex. Wednesday I do Tradeify. I don't know. But I've really thought about just copy trade all the accounts, take good trades, use Tradeivate. What makes me consider actually doing that is once QuantGuard has Tradeivate option available. If QuantGuard has the Tradeivate option available, I might actually do that. I seriously might do that. But I also think you should keep a set to the side because of your habit of going on tilt, chasing, not following your. Yeah, Camera Trace. Like I do like the idea of having like one or two accounts, not a lot, but one or two accounts where I call it my degenerate accounts. Like it's basically not a lot of accounts, but one or two. Like just one or two funded accounts where hey, if I start going on tilt, that's who gets the brunt of it. I leave my other accounts because that's honestly how I do it now. I don't know if you guys have realized or not. It's pretty apparent. It's pretty easy to see. But the accounts that I care about are my Apex accounts. It's pretty evident. I protect my Apex accounts always. I lock myself out as soon as I feel myself going on tilt. Boom, lock myself out of my Apex accounts. And that's because I care about them. And the other accounts are a little more where I'm aggressive and I YOLO those accounts a little bit too much. And I do it too much. That's my problem. I'm okay doing it with one or two accounts, but I'm doing it with 5 take profit trader accounts and doing it with 6 funding ticks accounts. I'm doing it with too many accounts. That's the issue. I need to rein that in. Look at this market now. We are totally an inside day today. We're still inside the 15-minute opening range here. Wow. That's a crazy rip higher. That's why I copy all mine and live with the outcome, trying to find 1 or 2 good trades per day. Yeah, Black Coffee. And I don't hate that idea. I don't. You don't need QuantGuard. Rhythmic allows you to lock yourself for the day as well. Tech 111. But Tradeivate doesn't. Right, Camber Trades. That's kind of why I don't want to do each one just one per day. It's going to take forever to get to payouts, especially with the traded days and all that stuff. Like, and then I go back to this thing. Like, this is where I go back to. Like, if you're confident in your ability to trade, And if you're confident that you can have discipline, if you're confident that you won't go on tilt and blow up, which right now I'm not that confident that I will do that without some help. Like I need help. I need Quant Guard's help to lock myself out in order for me to protect myself. But if I have a Quant Guard or some feature where I know if I hit this daily loss limit, I really am done for the day. It's over. I cannot manipulate it. I cannot change it. Once I know that, I trade differently. And I feel like once that is set up, copy trading all accounts and just living with the results is like the most productive and efficient way to trade. It might be risky, but in the end, it's about if you can be consistent or not. Like you, and I feel like if I would do that, especially in the overnight sessions, like I have some really, really nice trades in the overnight sessions, and yet I only take them on my Lucid account, or I only take them on my live account. And then, which is great, but then I switch to my next round of accounts and then I start forcing trades. So I don't know, guys. We might see a reality where we get more. Like I do want to add take profit trader accounts again. By the way, I have a question for some of you. Maybe someone in here in chat knows. So I bought those take profit trader accounts last week. I bought take profit trader accounts last week when they were still on the 40% no activation and your refund, your eval cost. If I reset those accounts now, which is what I will do, I'll reset those. If I reset them, will that still be the correct promotion? Like, will that be the promotion of when I actually bought them? Or will that be the promotion of when I reset them? I don't know. Mr. Wall Street, what's forever? You're 44. I'm not 44. Don't me. I'm 41. The market is not designed to be traded all day. Oh, I agree. 100%. I agree. No, I'm not. Like there are, if I start trading, if I start copy trading all my accounts at the same time, there is a very high probability that most days I'm going to come on stream and I'm going to be done trading for the day. So then there's a whole new set of problems. Do you know what I mean? So that's a whole nother set of problems. But we could reserve like 2 accounts to trade on stream. I'm okay with that. But then the rest I copy trade, or I start streaming overnight sessions. That's the other option. But I don't know. We got issues. We got options. I think having to stream every day is difficult for taking A+ setups, and only especially since you find a lot of them in the overnight session. I mean, it's more, I mean, see, this time of day is actually when I like the volatility. I mean, I'm trying to get better at the volatility. I've had some actually really good trades on volatility on my live account that I've tried to kind of carry over in prop trading and that I just haven't really been able to do. But yeah, I don't know. There are 1 to 3 trades per day at most that are worth trading. Yeah, I agree. I trade the first 75 minutes and that's it. Yeah, I feel like if I had to pick a time frame to trade, like if let's say I have to pick a 3-hour time frame that I have to trade every day, I would definitely pick from 7 o'clock to like 11 o'clock. From 7 to 11 is when I would choose to trade if I could only choose one time frame to trade. It sounds crazy. Like I think I don't think that's normal. I don't think most people would choose that, but for me, it is. That's when I would do it. Hang on, I have to take this call. Stupid scammer. Okay. Man, this could be a long here. We're just in this 15-minute range. Trade on the hour and a half hour, it's larger. It's a business at the end of the day, some for entertainment to get your affiliates. And then also for some for your budget, keeping a separate bucket goal so it's organized. Yeah, TCM trades. It's definitely true. Like, yeah, we're talking about PM. Yes, 7 to 11 PM Eastern Standard Time. When is the next 24 well, the first 24-hour stream is August 27th. We go live at 6 p.m. Eastern and we trade until the next day at market close at 5 p.m. Is my Ninja live account treated as a Tradeify connection? Yes, Tanush, it is. Yes, it is. Actually, I want to see if they took out my funds. Let's go. They did. 25 G's. Let's go. Hmm. All right, guys. Are the moves cleaner? I don't know how to explain. The moves are less violent TCM trades. So I feel like I don't know why I prefer when the moves are not as violent. Like that. That's how I can classify I explain it the best. Yeah, I know. I thought about that camera trades just starting to stream from 7 to 11. Um I would miss it though. Like it would be actually really difficult for me not to trade the New York session. I don't know, like maybe just I would have to because I do enjoy. I do really like it. I just don't have as good results. Um I don't know. Why does Punny want me to check the box that says that I'm not a U.S. citizen? Vernon Peterson, make sure you put your address in. Once your address is in, it should not be that issue. It's because of the Forex. They come from the Forex side of it. You might as well trade at night. Your wife is just watching Love Island. That's the other part. Like between 7 and 11, like I could stream, but it's also kind of when a lot of times I'll have something in the evening and family time. It's Because here's the thing, like I feel like part of the reason that I trade better in the evening is because I don't sit in front of my computer. I enter my trades, I put in my stop loss and take profit, and then I go and have family time. I go and play with the kids, whatever it may be, have movie night, whatever. And then I'll come back a half hour, an hour later, and I'll check on the results. But I feel like that's part of the reason that I'm actually trading better in those time frames. So if I start streaming it and watching it, then I don't know, I might not have the same results. I might not. 7 to 11. Why did I say that time frame? That's terrible. I did not think that one through. I did not even think of that. You guys are weird. Oh, all right. Right back up to the 290s. We are just going nowhere. You know what we're going to do, guys? We are going to start the giveaway. But listen very closely. Don't type yet. Don't do it. Don't do it. Listen very closely. We have a new word. NBT, exclamation mark NBT. And you will be entered. Thank you. Thank you. NBT. And you will get entered for the duck race. And the NBT duck race, it will be for the winning duck will get a 50K straight to funded account from Tradeify. The real deal, man. It'll be awesome. You guys can literally 8 days trading and you can take a payout. I would love nothing more than whoever wins to get a payout. I feel like whoever wins has to keep us informed. Whoever wins this 50K straight to funded account, you got to keep us informed on how it's going. Because I want to know. Exclamation mark NBT. Exclamation mark NBT. Capital or lowercase. But the exclamation mark has to be first. Exclamation mark and then NBT. I will blow it day 2 probably, Matty Mac. No, I think we have faith. Exclamation mark NBT. You got 3 minutes and 45 seconds to enter. I'm not going to broadcast this giveaway to every. Oh no! Dang it. I forgot to make it subscriber only. Ah, that annoys me. And you also only need to enter once, guys. Only once. I want to do something. Dude, I just realized that's so cool. If I win and make 1 mil, if you win and make 1 million, I'll buy a Lambo and send a new set of gold tailor-made golf clubs. Deal. Deal, Matty Matt. Deal. Can you imagine? Someone would win it and they would take max payout, then go to a live account and just run it up. That'd be like the best story ever. All right, guys, you got 1 minute left. 1 minute left. Exclamation mark NBT. You do not need to end. You can only enter one time, so don't keep spamming the chat. I just realized I can respond to chat directly here. That's so cool. I and Connor, Tradeify should be in Quant Guard within a week or so. Hoping by end of next week, but I don't want to say for sure. All right, guys. All right, guys. That's it. The giveaway is over. Oh no, we're gonna have a couple strays in here, are we not? Oh no. You guys. You guys were not in here soon enough. All right. I I feel bad. I feel bad, but we probably, in order to be fair to everyone else that's entered, we probably need to stick with this. All right, let me get the duck race up. First duck race on the new PC. Ah, someone stole your point. Okay, here we go. Let me get. Okay, let's go. We're going to only pick 10 names because we can only have one winner. We've only had one. We can only have one winner today. But here's what. I'm trying to think if I want to do this or not. If I want to add my name to it. I was thinking about adding my name to the list. If I win, then we will rerun the race, but second and third place will get a cash prize if I win. Or do we? I don't want to overcomplicate it. You know what? We're going to pick 10 names. We're going to pick 10 names, and the winner is going to be the winner, and they're going to get the 50K straight to funded account. I think that's the best and the fairest way to do it. Best guess trading. I'm sorry, man. I'm so sorry. Okay, here we go. This is the first entry. Tambray with a chance to get the straight to funded account. Good luck, sir or ma'am. Next name, David Charest. David Charest. David Charest. Kevin, just a minute. All right, next name is I Am Adam. Oops. I Am Adam. Good luck, sir. Next name, Canungus Fail. Canungus Fail. Good luck, sir. Here we go. Next name is going to be BC Trader. BC Trader. Next name is going to be Jobin Joseph. Jobin Joseph. Good luck, sir. Next name, David. David Wren. Let's go. David Wren. Good luck, sir. And here we go. Next name is going to be Kumar Rahul. Kumar Rahul. Good luck, sir. All right, we're down to 2 more names. Oh, guys. Good luck, guys. Good luck. Here we go. Second to the last name, Mike. Good old Mike. All right. Good luck, Mike. Okay, here we go. This is the final name. Final name. Oh, who will it be? And it is Raise Our Trades. Raise Our Trades. All righty. Here we go, boys. We are about to do the duck race. There you go. You can see all your names. Obviously not rigged. Everything on the up and up. Here we go. We're going to have a 2-minute race. Actually, can I do... Whoops. Hang on. I got to make sure my sound is good. Yeah. All right. What is going... This is as rigged as Nutty as horn. I cannot. All right, I'm going to shuffle the characters. Okay, here we go. All right, guys. This is it. I guess this is it. All right, we're going to switch to our announcer voice. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are ready for the duck race. It is going to be 2-minute race. We have up for grabs for first place only a straight to funded Tradeify 50K account. Here we go. And they are off. Here we go. 2-minute race. Make sure you pace yourself. Here we go. We got David Charest taking an early lead. Minute and 45 seconds to go. We've got Raise Our Trades in third place. Kanungus Fail. I don't know what's wrong with that duck, but it looks like he's got a sick duck. It makes you wonder, does that duck have enough stamina to get across the finish line? Here we go. Kumar in the Superman duck trying to make a move. Raise Our Trade now. Makes a push, a commanding full-length lead. Now slows down. Kumar is now making the move, and he has neck and neck with Raise Our Trades. BC Trader in the Alien Duck bringing up third place. I Am Adam in fourth. Here comes David Wren in the Red Duck from the bottom of your screen. Here we go. Kumar and Raise Our Trades neck and neck with a minute to go. We are halfway there. David Wren now closing the gap. He is trying to make a move here at the bottom of your screen. Can he overtake Kumar? Yes, he can. Here comes David Charest now. David Charest and David Wren, the two Davids. They're trying to grab first place. Neck and neck. Here comes Kanungus Fail. 35 seconds to go, and we've got a two-way tie at the top. David Charest and Kanungus Fail, with David Wren not far behind. Here comes Job and Joseph. BC Trader, I Am Adam bringing up the rear, and Kumar bringing up the very rear. David Charest now has taken a commanding lead. 12 seconds to go. Is he just going to walk away with this? Oh, not so fast. Here comes Raise Our Trades. He's making a push. 2 seconds. And there it is. Raise Our Trades with the final push. Oh, man. That was hard to watch. Oh, that was hard to watch. You hate to see it. Beast Tombre, he had such a big lead. David Charest, oh, he couldn't pull it out. Kanungus Fail. Raise Our Trade. He was reserving his energy, and he poured it on in the end. Congratulations, Raise Our Trade. You are the winner. Please type in the chat to make sure that we know you're here. That is my email, Raise Our Trade. Okay, let's go. Raise Our Trade is here. Go ahead, Raise Our Trade. Enter, send me an email with a screenshot of your YouTube channel, and I will get you squared away with that 50K straight to funded account. Very nicely done. Congratulations. And I'm sorry, the rest of you. I'm sorry. I'm going to try really hard to get another straight to funded account to give away next when we do our 24-hour stream. So if you didn't win, just hang tight. We'll do it again, hopefully. So close, so close. It got hit by a rock. It did. It was bad. Wow, look at this choppy, very, very choppy price action here. Very choppy. Oh, congrats again. All right. Man, this market It feels like the market is resting after some pretty wild days the last 2 days. Still, I mean, we're seeing it's pretty nice moves here, but yeah, Kanungas fail. You were. What time will the the 24-hour stream will start Wednesday night. Wednesday night at 6 o'clock at market open is when the 24-hour stream will start. Okay, we're testing this 200 level once again. No, SC, you were not in the race. I'm sorry. Well, I might. What is going on here? I might call it here. I have to go. Kevin wants me to go set up his new PC, so it's not a new one, my old one. So I should go do that, and this market really isn't looking too appetizing. Not a crazy bad day on my live. I don't know what we're gonna do about this Tradeify live account. I'm just. It is what it is. We got to be better. We got to be better. One trade per hour. Maybe. All right. I think I'm going to call it here, guys. Take care. We'll be back tomorrow. And hope to see you guys here. Hit the like button on your way out if you don't mind. I would appreciate it. But I think we're going to call it here, guys. Take care. Have a great rest of your day. I hope you all end green. And take care. And God bless.